anticipation by public display. It is a section 31. So if invention is displayed in exhibition, there are so many exhibitions, right? Trade exhibitions is there, then colleges or that so many competitions are there, so all that thing. So or the invention is described in a publication in a consequence of a display of the invention in such exhibition, or the invention has been used by any person without the consent of a true or first inventor, against the case that there is no consent and the invention is used, or a person deriving title from him after it has been displayed in such exhibition, or disclosing the invention before a learned society, or publishing the invention in the transactions of such society. Again, this is a very important section, that you are doing the before a learned society, you are publishing the invention. There is a discussion and all that thing, that will not be considered as that anticipation, provided that application is filed within 12 months. So you can